near Lockhart, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Another
Source,
TSP.
radar indicated.
SVR.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chester, Fort Warren, Lockhart, Lynchburg, Lowry's, Chester State Park, Ettinger, Adamsburg, and Fishing Creek Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester, Union, and York.
Another